Sincerely, guys, I'm tired. Kind of tired. I've actually been stressed out. So, this is a sit-down video. I'm just going to have a conversation with you guys. I'm not trying to teach you anything on this video and all. So, of late, I've been getting tired of photography. Everybody says passion, 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 but sincerely, nobody talks about how stressed you get or the things that you have to go through, just to ensure that you stay in business, or what you go through in the background. Everybody just thinks that you just take pictures and that's all. So, I think I'll just be talking about how I've been feeling lately, how photography has kind of been stressing me out. Let's say I got to the point where I'm burned out and everything just feels like a lot. So let's just have a conversation here. I spent a lot of time editing. So stressful. It's like, I love photography, no doubt. I love shooting weddings. I love seeing my clients happy. But kind of thing when you go out and shoot like 3,000 pictures, 4,000 pictures for a client on a wedding, and then you get back, you have to select. This is not 3,000 for both white and wedding. This is like 3,000 for like the engagement, 3,000 for like white, and then you have a second photographer that is shooting his own and stuff. So you sit down, you select. By the time you're done selecting, you now have to start editing. After you are done editing, you have to retouch. Nobody talks about how long that is. Sometimes I give unrealistic expectations to my clients, and they too give me unrealistic expectations. They want me to meet it up. So I kind of sometimes I give them 1 week to finish editing. That is outrageous. Who wants to edit 3,000 pictures? But I've been doing it. But I think of recent, my last wedding, it took me, I think, almost a month to finish. That's how stressed I've been, because I've just been working back to back and spending a lot of time editing, touching. I try to outsource my jobs, right, so that I don't get too overwhelmed. There are times when the job you give someone to do, they mess up.
Oh my god! If it doesn't from, oh my god!
They mess up, and you're like, I'm paying this person for this job, right? And then you have to finish your own for picture editing, right? Then you now pick up the video editing. You have to deliver, because the person did not deliver, or the person delivered something entirely different on the day of the deadline, and you're like, damn, you have to sit down. So you are sitting down editing. I wanted to run away from 9 to 5 job, but I practically work 24 hours. I can't separate my personal life from my business life. I'm always editing. I'm always on the go. Apart from that, after that, you have to take pictures in church. You have to work in church. I'm probably dozing in church, right? I'm so stressed because you didn't sleep overnight, or you woke up in the middle of the night, you're editing because you have to meet the deadline, right? And then the next thing, you're getting back home, you're working again, you're working the next day. I think it's just really been a lot, right? So I kind of listed it down, so I hope you don't mind me reading of what I wrote down. Yeah, like I said, overnight editing, silly, I don't lie. Oh, no lie. Photography is sweet, right? It's good because when you take the pictures, you are the adrenaline rush, right? I like the adrenaline rush that comes with shooting weddings, right? Because nothing is expected, right? Everything doesn't really, let's not lie, nothing goes as planned as weddings, events. But you do that, then you get back home and you're like, shit, you have to do this editing. So you spend 2-3 nights, probably a week overnight doing editing, and you're probably not sleeping well. And for a while, I'll not lie, probably not been sleeping well. You don't even get to eat because you are sitting down, you're like, damn, I need to meet it. I need to meet up. Let's not, apart from the fact that you need to meet up, there's balance. You want to collect. Let's not lie. Everybody also wants to make money, right? You have to sit down throughout the whole day, at night, editing, take pictures for other people that come to your studio. Try also to, spend time with people that mean a lot to you, which I'll not lie. I look forward to that, right? And sometimes has been a lot, right? So like you even have WhatsApp chats, right? I get that WhatsApp chat is like a lot because WhatsApp messages are a lot because you're like, how do you keep up? But like, there are people that are in your lives that you need to keep with the relationship. You need to maintain relationship. So sometimes it becomes a lot because by the time you're done editing, by the time you spend hours sitting down in a chair doing everything, it becomes a lot having to sit down and also chat with people because you're tired. You want to rest. So you probably chat with one or two people. Every other person feels left out. So this is one of the things we don't talk about, right? I'm sorry if I've left your chat unread. I'm very, very sorry. I didn't mean it. Like, I never meant it. It just happened. But of late, I've really not been connecting with people. Majorly just one person. My babe, right? It's because, when you have to meet up with a lot of deadlines, you have to work back to back, it becomes overwhelming, right? You can't sleep well, you can't eat well, you can't do so many things. Even relating with people feels like a lot. And sometimes I know a lot of people feel like I'm probably like pushing them away or not choosing to spend time with them because I like spending time with people. But by the time photography is good, but by the time the photography, the editing, let's not even talk.
Look at this.
Let me not even talk. Let me even expand. You do your photography, you take the pictures, you edit, you post online. You're also posting on your wedding page. You need to answer messages. You need to do so many things. You have to do your marketing yourself. It's kind of a lot, right? And nobody talks about this. Nobody lets you know that it's not just snap picture. We don't think it's just snap picture. Like, no, picture. Like just your picture. It's not just your picture. You take the picture, you sit down, you edit. I think of late, I've actually just been on auto mode. I'm just working, right? I'm not really like putting in effort to learn, to improve, and it's really like been a lot, right? What do you think? So I know you might have suggestions. You can put it in the comment section. I spoke with my mentor of late, and I'm thinking of ways to reduce this stress, right? To not always feel overwhelmed or to have time for that. Because sincerely, I also, apart from photography, I want to do other things, right? I want to do so many things. I want to enjoy life too. And I think I would like to try to outsource some of my jobs, right? Not outsource some of my jobs, like learn to delegate. But like that delegating to has a comma because sometimes when you delegate, people mess up, then you have to do the work from scratch. But then you have to take chances, you have to take the step. Choosing to like what did I say just now? I'm sorry. I'll not lie, I tend to forget things easily of late because my mind is like really on so many things. I have a deadline. Do I have a deadline? I don't even know. But like my mind is just so much on you have a deadline. Jesus, when is your next job? That kind of thing. Or what are you going to do to prepare for the next job? So if you can remember what I was saying, I don't know. Okay, I think I was talking about delegating, right? So I would like try to delegate, right, to ensure that I don't have to feel this amount of stress or feel like I'm doing everything because low-key I'm kind of doing everything. So I think that's the end of this video, right? I'm glad I've been able to rest. I've really not been out there, but I've been able to rest. I've been able to spend time with my loved ones. I'm sorry if I've not delivered a job. I don't really needed that rest, right? Because if I don't rest, you'll not see me. So thank you guys for watching up to this point. Thank you for, listening to my story, or listening to my bands and everything. Please subscribe. I beg. If you watch up to this point, subscribe, right? And we hope to keep giving content, right? We hope to keep sharing. Because the brand is not just me. The brand is me, is you watching this. Because without you, there's no me. Think about it. And if you love more of these videos where I just come and talk and rant, feel free to put it down or let me know. So see you in the next video. That's the energy we've been waiting for. But I'm not in that headspace. So bye.